How much does YouTube actually pay for videos and shorts? In this next 5 minutes, we are going to break down the numbers and see what factors can impact your earnings with real life examples. So stick around if you're curious about YouTube revenue. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are diving into a topic that a lot of aspiring YouTubers want to know about: how YouTube pays for videos. Let's talk about regular videos. Once you are in the partner program, you can start earning revenue from ads on your videos. But how much are we talking about? Well, YouTube pays based on CPM and RPM. CPM is cost per mille, or how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1000 views. RPM is revenue per mille, which is how much you actually earn after YouTube takes its cut, which is typically around 45%. CPM varies a lot depending on the type of content, location, and season. For instance, finance or tech content often has higher CPM rates compared to lifestyle or general vlogs. CPM can range anywhere from $1 to $10, or even more. And remember, you only get paid for ad views, so if viewers skip the ads, it will lower your earnings. Now let's see how YouTube pays for shorts. Shorts are monetized differently. With revenue sharing model, YouTube places ads between shorts on the shorts feed, and creators earn a percentage of the revenue. While CPMs for shorts are generally lower than for the regular video, this is a new space with lots of growth potential. I'm on a mission to help 1 million new YouTubers reach their monetization goals. So if you're someone looking to get your account monetized, subscribe to my channel and let's help each other reach our goals faster. Let's take a practical example using a fictional channel, say Channel A, to illustrate its earnings. Our fictional channel is a tech review channel with 50,000 subscribers, covering everything from smartphones to laptops. This channel posts both regular videos and shorts, so we will be able to see how earnings vary across these content types. Let's say this channel recently uploaded a 10-minute review video of a popular smartphone. In 1 month, it got 100,000 views. For tech content, let's assume an average CPM of $8, meaning advertisers pay YouTube $8 per 1000 ad views. So if we remove YouTube's cut, which is 45%, the RPM, which is creator's share, would be $4.40 per 1000 views. So for this 100,000 view video, this channel would earn an RPM of $4.40 per 1000 views. Now let's break it down into actual revenue. For that single video, this channel would earn about $440, which is decent payout for one video. Now let's say this channel also posted a 30-second video about the smartphone's new camera feature. This short took off and reached 1 million views. But shorts have a different earning model. Since YouTube's ads appear between shorts in the shorts feed, the CPMs are generally lower. Let's say the estimated short CPM is $2. And if we remove YouTube's cut, which is around 45%, the RPM, creator's share, would be $1.10 per 1000 views. At an RPM of $1.10 per 1000 views, here's what the revenue would look like for 1 million views on this short. So this channel would be making around $1,100 from this short. It's not bad for a 30-second clip. Channel A's regular video with 100,000 views earned about $440, while the short with 1 million views earned $1,100. Shorts can earn more for very high view counts, but it often takes a viral hit to get there. Will those videos continue to earn $440 and $1,100 every month? Not exactly. Each month reflects the revenue generated only from the views accumulated in that particular month. Let's take the example of the revenue generated by the regular video, which we discussed earlier, for say March and April months. Say the total views in March month for that video was 100,000. If we consider the RPM of $4.40, the total earnings for the regular video for March month would be $440. Now in April, the same video got an additional 100,000 views to take the total to 200,000. So the earnings for the same video, which is now at 200,000 views, would be again $440. Important thing to note here is that the earnings are generated not on the total views in a particular month, but on the additional views the video accumulated after generating revenue. So how much does YouTube pays can vary from a few dollars per 1000 views on regular videos to more modest earnings on shorts. But the key is to build a loyal audience and keep experimenting to see what works best for your channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.